Hello, I just want to take a minute and give you a little bit of tour of our course to help you find those resources that are going to help you be successful here. Okay, first thing when you land on our landing page, what you want to do is scroll down to the course announcements and check this daily, particularly that weekly schedule. This is going to tell you exactly what you need to be completing each day and when those assignments are due and when they lock down. On the left-hand side, you'll also see a class plan that also gives you information on when those assignments are due and when they lock down. Okay, when you go under course content, this is going to give you some important information and get you access to the course content. So under course materials, you will see this is where you'll find your syllabus, your teacher contact information, grading policy. But also here we have a link here that will take you to the recordings and the slides for any classes that you may have missed. Also, we have how-to documents here. So if you are unsure how to do something like submitting assignments or checking feedback, you can come here and see if there is a document to help you with that. We also have things like flashcards and study guides. So we have lots of vocab with biology. So these virtual flashcards will help you study those. And I also have study guides here that basically give you a summary of the unit and pull out some important information from there. Also to help you with the vocab is this word wall here, which is an interactive word wall where when you click on a term that you are unsure of and need to look up, you will see that term along with any related terms and descriptions and pictures to help you with those. Okay, so you just click on return to word wall to get back to the main page. In the actual units, this is where you're going to find the reading assignments, any other assignments pertain to that unit. So when we first log in here, we'll go under unit 11. You will see the first assignment is the vocab assignment. This is going to be due each unit. And with that, you're going to use the word wall, the flashcards, and also we have vocab at a glance in each lesson to help you with that vocabulary. The other thing that you will see is each lesson has pictures and a summary of those lessons there to help you. Now, when you go into the content here, you will see different steps. Okay, so most of them have all of them are going to have a step 1 that has a reading part, and then others are going to have additional steps for activities and assignments that you want to complete. Okay, but when you click on the steps here, you'll see for this reading one, you'll see the reading that's assigned here, but you'll also see other resources here like these videos, activities, games that can also help you with the material. Okay, now on here you'll also see our assignments. So our assignment here is the limiting factors lab. So when you click on here, you'll see the associated documents with that assignment and also the assignment folder here. So when you click on this, you're able to get to the actual assignment, which is right here. So you click on that to download. But this is also where you can submit the assignment. So you would upload it from your computer, that completed document, and then click submit. The other thing I want to show you is where to access your grades. So grades here, when you click on this, it will show you your current grade as well as individual grades for each assignment. For these, if you see a 0, that means that the assignment is overdue and not completed. If you see a grade here, that means you completed and that's your grade for that assignment. You'll also see a little option here if you have feedback on an assessment. You'll have a link here for the feedback. You want to make sure you're always checking that feedback to make sure that you understand what you did wrong and how you can improve for future assignments. Okay, so that's the main things I wanted to show you for our course. So if you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I look forward to working with you.